So most people solve this question like 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Divide 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. So now 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 12 plus, now 12 divided by 4 is equal to, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 multiplied 2. Now here we have one addition and here we have multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. So is equal to 12 plus, now 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Okay. So the correct answer is 20.